Welcome guys. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you guys something so unique, something so special about Sofascore that most of you don't really know. So if this is your first time coming across my video, please hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because in today's video I want to give you guys simple 3 strategies that when you use and follow Sofascore app, I tell you the truth, I tell you the simple truth, you'll be winning betting, you'll be winning sport betting every single day. I mean 3 simple tips, 3 simple strategy that when you follow this strategy, as I will be giving you guys at the end of this video, I tell you the truth, you won't be losing your SPORTYBET, 1xBet, depending on the bookies platform that you are using. You will not lose bet again. I guarantee you this, that you won't be losing bet. I know a lot of you have Sofascore on your phone, but you don't know what it's being used for. Most of you think Sofascore is all about the check live match. No. Don't think that Sofascore or Flashscore is just to use and check live match. Today I just want to focus on Sofascore. A lot of people are making millions of naira, thousands of naira with this simple trick. This strategy is very simple, but the third strategy is the most important one that you need to pay attention to. So don't skip this video. Watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be the best video that you have ever seen in the YouTube space. I know a lot of other YouTubers have reviewed about Sofascore, how to use it and play this game. They will tell you once you see yellow and you pick on it. I tell you the truth, I follow all those videos and I've been losing until I found this simple trick at which I'm about to show you now. Just 3 simple tricks. So watch this video to the end, and I tell you this video is gonna be the best video for you today. You're gonna like this video because this video will be the best video for you. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive into the screen. Let me give you guys the 3 tricks to use and be winning with Sofascore. Let's dive in. One, in this tutorial video, is for you to get your Sofascore app ready. For you to get your Sofascore app, for those of you who don't have Sofascore, how to get it, just go over to your Apple store if you are an iPhone user, and if you are an Android user, just go over to your Play Store and search for Sofascore. Let's load. Search for Sofascore. Here is the spelling. Sofascore. Yeah, it's going to open. Please mind you, don't download any other app that is not having this logo. Any app that you are downloading that is not bearing this logo, know that it's not the app that we are using. But download the one that have this logo with Sofascore Live Sport. Here is the app that you are meant to download. Anything aside from this, please don't download it. Know that it's not the app. If you go to Play Store, you will get it. Just search for Sofascore. Play Store will bring out this particular app with this logo interface. So you click on it. Just click on it. Now it's gonna open like this. If you're a first timer, it's gonna in this place here, it's gonna show you download. But the reason why it's showing me open is because I've already downloaded it. So I have this app on my phone right now through Play Store. That's why it's showing me open. So after a successful download, what you need to do, you just go over and open the app. Just pay attention. Don't skip this video because you're about to enter the main game of the video. You're about to enter deep down the main thing that bring us to this video. So after opening, that is for step 1, the app. After opening the Sofascore like this, for you being the first timer, it's gonna ask you to select your favorite team. Please make sure you select from England, Spain, Germany, and you can add any other listen. Now, step number two, please. like I say, for your first opening, they are going to ask you for your favorite team. Please make sure that your favorite team are those teams that you always love, like you always like them so much, because those are where Sofascore will be bringing out the games from for you to select from. So for instance, my favorite league that I selected was England. I selected England as my favorite league. I selected Germany as my favorite league. I selected others favorite league, Spain and Italy as my favorite league. Now, Sofascore will bring out this interface like this, giving you all the leagues that you selected from the league being your favorite league. So what you need to do, you just look for any of the game here that you just like feel like you want to bet on. You click on it. For instance, Newcastle versus Arsenal by 1:30 p.m. that is an African time, England Premier League. You click on it. When you click on it, you allow it to load. Please pay attention. This is the second step that I'm showing you guys now. Here is the it has opened. So Newcastle versus Arsenal. Now please pay attention. Now this is the step 2 of this video. So you check at their odds. You can see that Newcastle is having 3.90 odd and their draw is 3.60 odd, while Arsenal is having this draw of 1.91 odd. So if you go down to their details of this match, go back to the details. You need to go back to that to Newcastle and Arsenal. Now when you get to this place, please, like I say, look at the odd. Now home odd is bigger than away odd. So what you just need to do here is for you to click on matches. Check their standing first. Check their standing on the table. Yeah, you can see that Arsenal is having 9 points and they are topping the league. They are at table 3, while Newcastle they are at 12. So you go over to this lineup. You need to check their lineup and to know those who are playing and their formation. As you can see, Newcastle, they have Valentico, Fabian Saka, Kelly, Lewis, and the rest. For Arsenal, people that will play this match for Arsenal, Gabriela, you will see Williams, Saliba, Ben White, Bosako, Saka is playing. So when seeing all these matches, and they will help to tell you the team that are on injury. So now this take us to the last strategy being step 3. Now step 3, all you just need to do, just go over to this, go to matches, then you scroll down. Now this is the step 3 for this tutorial. Please, in step 3, after going to matches, whenever you come across this percentage rate that is showing you yellow, other YouTube this thing will be telling you that when it shows you yellow, it means win. Is totally wrong. Please mind you. Now they are telling us that home at 43% will win, but away at 57% will win. So what you need to do in this place, this is telling you that out of 100% rate that Arsenal have the capability of 57% winning rate to win this match. So looking at Arsenal, when you read it, they say they all are 1.55 5. Like I tell you in step 2, you should pay attention to the odd. The expected chance of winning is always 51%. That is, they are trying to let you know that Arsenal, when they bear this odd, anytime they have this odd 1.95, that their winning rate is always 51%. But Arsenal actually win 57% of the time with this odd. So what is this match trying to tell you? So, and in this kind of situation, you don't need to put straight home win. Please, you don't need to put straight home win. All you just need to do is either you bet home draw no bet, or you double chance Arsenal to win or draw at full time. And mind you, while using this, please don't accumulate a lot of bets. You can use this strategy to select highest 2 to 4 odd every single day and stake your money. I guarantee you winning. But don't come and pack a lot of matches, a lot of just to have 1,000 odd on the name, or you just need plenty odd because of this strategy. You want to use strategy and make a huge amount of money. Please, gambling does not require a lot of odd. Just use this strategy, select 1 or 2 games and stake and make your money. So in summary, step number 1, get Sofascore. Step number 2, get the league that you want to bet on. Then after opening the league that you want to bet on, pay attention to their odd, pay attention to home odd, pay attention to away odd, and also pay attention to the draw odd. Then the final step being step 3, whenever you go to matches, scroll down to the end where you see odd, and whenever you see a percentage rate from 43, please don't bet it. But whenever you see percentage from 55 upward, from 55 to 70, please mind you, double chance any game that you see 55 to 70. But any game that is from 75 to 90, 100 is a sure straight winning. So I believe that with this my strategy, I believe most of you will not be losing your ticket anymore. So thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and support my channel while I go and unveil and bring new update to you guys. Thank you.